What is the relationship between quality assurance software and ERP software?
Epical's advanced quality module obviates the need for disparate quality management systems around a manufacturing process. So when you are making something for someone, whether that's a huge big steel tray to go on the back of a mining haulage unit, or whether that is a tiny medical device that's going to be inserted inside someone's heart, there are quality standards that need to be monitored and enforced and reported upon. So in many manufacturing environments, those quality measurements are actually taken and stored outside of the place where the actual production occurs. From a systems perspective, they're often done in spreadsheets and separate databases and so on. In a really tightly integrated system like Epical, where the quality management platform is actually embedded right alongside the manufacturing execution, then you get to collect that data as you're going and tie it to the manufacturing operations as they occur. Now, the ability to then report in an historic sense, being able to look back at what happened, when it happened, and what the outcomes were across a whole range of qualitative and quantitative measures, thickness, number, does it look good? Is it within the right parameters of the strength or the bendability or whatever it is? All these things can be measured right alongside the manufacturing process as it executes. And that's a fundamentally different approach to having these separate disparate systems where you have to go and extract data from everywhere to try and match it all together to report on.